Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel specialized in designing apps using MATLAB AppDesigner. In this video we are going to show you a new app that mimics the ticket counters with many beautiful features. But before we start, we can see the application here. This is the window or the GUI. Although it seems a small app, but it is little bit harder than you think. It has many commands, codes, and call functions. We can see them here. Lots of codes. These codes can provide us different features. For example, if we return back here, we can adjust volume, adjust bass, the speed of talking or speaking, reading pattern, voice. We can also mute the sound. We can replay the sound anytime we want, and also we can reset the settings. We can increase the number either by entering the number directly from the edit field, or we can press up or down buttons. So let's start the app to see it in action. We can reply.
The ticket number is 1.
We can decrease the sound.
The ticket number is 1.
We can increase it.
The ticket number is 1.
We can mute the sound. Nothing. We can't hear anything. We can do reset.
The ticket number is 1.
Even here, we can't decrease the number less than 1, but we can increase it because it is set at 1.
The ticket number is 2.
Now we can see that this button is activated.
The ticket number is 1.
Deactivated again. We can also change the voice from David to Zira. These are built-in voices in Windows.
The ticket number is 2.
We can increase the bass.
Ticket number is 3.
We can decrease the bass.
The ticket number is 4.
We can return it back to its normal settings, 0. And we can here enter any big value, for example, 345.
The ticket number is 3, 4, 5.
What about if we want to read it as 345? Can we? Yes, because of these codes, we have this ability. We can do that. So we can come here to reading button and select complete word. Replay it again.
The ticket number is 345.
What about if it is less than 20? For example, 15. Can this program read this number?
The ticket number is 15.
Yes. If it is, for example, 9, then
the ticket number is 9.
Either complete word or sequence of numbers. Doesn't matter.
The ticket number is 9.
What about if, let's select David, if it is, for example, big number in thousands, can we?
The ticket number is 9, 3, 7, 6.
I forget to set it with complete word. And let's select here 0.9 or 90% of the total volume. And let's press on replay.
The ticket number is 9376.
So as we can see here, a beautiful app that can mimics the ticket counters with many features and capabilities. Again, you can download this app, the entire project of this app, from the link provided below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to see more apps designed by MATLAB AppDesigner. Goodbye.